and storytelling in the classroom, and in that book I included one of the stories I learned from a Kazakh student. So, without further ado, let me tell you. In Kazakh culture, they have a character whose name is Aldar Kose. And Aldar Kose is a trickster. He's not rich, he's poor, but he's very smart. And he tries to help poor people by taking things from the rich people, like Robin Hood. You know Robin Hood?
Yes.
Aldar Kose. Aldar Kose tricks the Bai. The Bai is the rich man, the landowner. Now, today in Exeter, it's warm and sunny, but I would like you to imagine Kazakhstan in the winter. It's one of the coldest places. So cold. The snow is deep. And Aldar Kose was riding on his old horse, his bony old horse, through the snow, very slowly. It was difficult. Aldar Kose was so cold because his old coat was full of holes. The wind was blowing in through the coat. And as Aldar Kose was riding through the snow towards his home, he saw, coming closer, the rich man, the Bai. The Bai was riding his fine horse, powerful horse, wearing a good thick coat made of fur, with a fur hat, good boots. And the Bai was coming closer, and Aldar Kose had an idea. He took his old coat full of holes and he began to open his coat and close it again. "Oh, I am so hot," said Aldar Kose. "I am so hot in my magic coat. Oh, all of the cold air is going out of the holes and I'm so hot." Now the rich man came closer and said, "Hot? How can you be hot? It's freezing cold." And Aldar Kose said, "Oh, it's because I have magic coat." "Really?" said the boy. "I want that coat." "Oh," said Aldar Kose, I don't think so. I don't think so. This coat, my father gave it to me." Said the rich man. "I am a very important man. Give me that coat. I need that coat." "Oh, I don't think so," said Aldar Kose. "My father said, there's a reason why I must not give this coat to anybody. He made me promise." "I will buy that coat," said the rich man. "I have a good coat, but this coat is a magic coat. I will buy it. Here, I have a bag of gold." Said Aldar Kose. "I don't think so. My father made me promise I would never give this coat to anybody. He said I must keep it for myself. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm so hot." And the rich man said, "Look, you can take my horse. You have my good horse, and I'll have your old horse. Give me the magic coat." Now Aldar Kose said, "The gold and the horse? No. My father said I must not give the coat. I'll give you my gold and my horse and my coat and my hat. I'll give you everything for your magic coat." Aldar Kose said, "Oh, very well, very well. I don't know what my father would say." And he took off the old coat with holes, and he got off his old horse, and he took the hat, and he took the gold, and he put on the warm fur coat and the warm fur hat, and he climbed on the beautiful horse, and Aldar Kose began to ride through the snow. And from behind him, he could hear the rich man, the Bai, saying, Wait, come back." He said, "What?" He said, "This coat, it's useless. It's not magic." And Aldar Kose said, "Now I remember what my father said. My father said, the magic will only work for me. Goodbye!